All right, so this will serve as a walkthrough for people testing and using the software. GramGenies is a Meta-approved agent system that is going to learn your business and then grows your Instagram account in various different ways, helping build a valuable brand without any sort of risky automation. This can do things, as we'll see, like attract real followers, create business-specific reels and posts for different growth stages, like top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel, engage comments, send links to people who comment on certain posts, find what's going viral, and much more. And it also comes with done-for-you Genie agents trained in unique styles paired with proven to convert affiliate products for people who are starting from scratch and want a ready-to-go business. All right, so to get started with this, we'll want to go to client campaign and create a new campaign account here. Go to create client, and now we can train our AI agent Genies on our own business or our client's business from scratch. Or again, you can select from those done for you agent Genies we have, so you have something to get started with right away. So for example, these are trained on certain specific styles to stand out on Instagram timelines. And so it's not just sounding like, Chat GPT generic content. And they're trained on affiliate products that you can easily get approved for that are proven to convert on JVZoo and ClickBank. So for example, we'll just choose that, give it a name. And then this is where we can train the app on our business. So all the content it creates, the way it talks to people through messages, will pull from this knowledge base, including connecting web pages, uploading files like PDF documents. You can just type in the training manually. For example, things about your style, things about the products you actually sell. And then we're going to connect our Instagram account. So the way we connect our Instagram account to Meta now is first, we need to go to our Instagram page and first make sure that the page is a professional account. So it needs to be a professional account to post now with apps. And then we need to go to, this is in our Instagram dashboard, Meta Account Center, and make sure your Facebook is connected. So you have to connect to a Facebook page like I've done here. If not, you have to go to add accounts and connect it, make sure you're logged in. And then on your Facebook, you have to make sure you have a matching page with your Instagram profile that's connected. So for example, I'm logged into this one here. What we'll do is make sure you change this to the page. You're going to go to professional dashboard, linked accounts, and you're going to connect to the Instagram account of your choice. All right, so make sure that's connected. And then we're going to go to the app here, hit connect. Going to log in as this main Facebook account. And I already have some profiles connected here, as you'll see. So you're going to hit connect. It will actually take, about 15 seconds or so. This pop-up will happen. And then you just choose the account from here that you want to connect and make sure that webhooks is enabled. And then you'll just hit connect here. All right, so once you're connected, it's time to start using these Genie agents. So we have a bunch of them here. All right, so let's start with the messaging and DM Genie. We're going to go here to create new Genie and give it a name. For example, we want to send a link to people who comment on our posts. And of course, the point of this one is that we wanted to start engaging people right off the bat to start getting sales from them. There's no reason why you have to grow an Instagram account to like 90 plus people. And then you can 90K plus people, and then you can finally start making money. You can start making money immediately right off the bat. So we're going to send a link to anyone who comments on our posts. For example, the affiliate product we're promoting. Now, if you want, you can retrain the agent so it's a little bit more specific if needed. And then we're going to choose how we want to engage people. So the one that most people are using online now is auto DM link from comment, like Alex Hormozy, and you see all these guys doing. And then what we'll do is we can have a trigger word. For example, if someone says, let's go on our post, we can have a comment reply like DM'd you and then it can send a message. For example, thanks for your interest. Here's our free lead magnet on building. We might not want to call it lead magnet, but training on helping your dog stay safe. And then we can give them an actual link here, and then finish setup. And then what it will do is, I have an example already live, is if someone comments on, say, this Instagram account here, someone commented, you can say like, hey, want our best supplement to lose weight and gain muscle. They comment, let's go. We can have an auto reply saying, check your DM. And then in their Instagram DMs here, we see that they went ahead and sent us this link to go do it. And this is all on autopilot. And we can actually enhance it with AI and have it talk in our style and voice as well, so it's not sort of just a generic bot replying. So that's how we can get started getting sales from people right off the bat as soon as they get to our profile. Now, as far as growing our profile, next you probably want to set up the followers genie. Let's take a look at that. So this is going to help get people to just follow your account right off the bat, only without the traditional, like, very unsafe methods. So we'll choose our account we connected here, and we just want to tell the agent again what we do. So we're selling pet products. Who do we want to actually target? So it's going to target people who will likely engage and buy, not like random follower accounts. And then we can choose some different actions per day, and we'll hit save and start agent. Now I already have one up, so we'll take a look at that. And so what it will do is it will start to go out and find, for example, the best profiles, the best content pieces that are relevant in the type of followers we want to get to buy from us, the exact posts for us to then go ahead and generate, like, say, a comment on it, and do these what they call micro action tasks. So the more that you leave a comment on someone's profile, follow them, engage, other people will see your profile and they'll want to follow you back, right? So instead of like auto follower things in the past where it followed a random person and then you have to hope that they followed you but didn't unsubscribe from you, and it was just sort of random accounts that never really interacted. This is a fully safe way to do tiny micro actions that are meta approved to get people interacting, viewing our profile, and then following our content, following our profile. All right, so now we want to actually get content on the profile. We at least need a little bit of content so the people who find our account know what we're all about and they'll choose to follow us. That's where the Viral Reels Genie and Content Creator Genie come in. So the Reels Genie here, this is a new type of video maker from stuff launched in the past where to really have success, you have to make what's called top of funnel, middle of funnel, and bottom of funnel reel content. So most people, they'll just create a certain type of video, post it, and the channel doesn't grow. Now you need what's called sort of top of funnel content for people to find your Instagram profile and just subscribe to it in the first place. I'm talking about an example such as this here that I made in the app. So it's just sort of like a funny dog at Taco Bell. It's just going to get people to follow our channel and sort of go viral. Middle of the funnel content are things that are going to get them to know, like, and trust us. For example, on this profile, here's our 7 best tips on how to grow muscle the natural way. And then bottom of funnel video stuff are things that are going to actually ask people for the sale, get them to say, hey, comment, let's go for that affiliate product we're going to send them. And we have an example here of, say, you can actually even make it like an avatar speaker holding your product if you want, and then asking people to go ahead and buy that. All right, so how do we make each of these? So we'll start with top of funnel and do a quick example. So for example, if you wanted to make that Taco Bell type dog, you can say, small dog cooking beef in a Taco Bell uniform at Taco Bell. Make sure we choose a client. Now, it can go ahead and just generate the thing from a description. If you want to have it more specific, it's best to upload like reference images. So we can upload like a reference image if you want. If you want a certain type of dog, then hit generate. All right, so then it will give our final prompt here that's going to send. We can choose our aspect ratio, length of the video, and hit generate. And hopefully it doesn't take too long. All right, so we have it ready. That looks good. Now what we can do is just download it here to use, or you can create a bunch of these clips and splice them together. So let's see how we can do that. So we can actually go back to Viral Reels Genie and click this button here, go to Video Editor. Now again, this is just sort of optional. And we can splice different clips together to create sort of a viral story. So you can go up here, go to campaign video, or maybe we'll choose this other dog one. And then we have a clip here of it cooking beef, another clip of it drinking a Pepsi. And then we can customize the video. For example, you can add some text here. Say something like, you know, if my dog had to get a job, and then move it around, make it bigger. You can add things like actual images, like you know, just regular dogs. We can generate AI images to put in here. We can add music, background jingle music if you want. Also things like subtitles as well. And then go ahead and render the video to be posted. All right, also what we can do is we can make middle of funnel videos. So let's go to create viral video. So middle of funnel videos, this is something like, again, like this, where it's more like a image based or stock clip based, where we're building trust and educating people. So what we can do is give it just a name, like senior dog care, ways to care for senior dogs, dimensions of the video, AI video or stock clip based. And then what we'll do is it will walk us through building the video. So for example, it will give us some good content ideas based on our training that our users might like. It will generate the metadata for the post, and then it's going to write the video script for us. Of course, you can go ahead and edit the script, and remember, this is adding in our products that we trained the AI on. So this isn't just some random ChatGPT garbage. You can pick a video style, like realism, 3D. It will generate a thumbnail for it. You can add an ultra realistic voiceover, or you can clone your own voice via 11 Labs as well. Of course, you can click here to preview the voice. These all sound very ultra realistic. And then it will go ahead and render the video for us. Now, just to save time, I do have some similar videos already created. I think this one here. And it will take you to the video editor, where we can choose to change out the image if we don't like it, generating a new AI image, upload our own image, or add media. Again, add fonts down here, something like a title at the top, choose to add subtitles at the bottom. And you can go through, you can actually use voice cloning. It will have the ultra realistic speaker, and the different slides down here. You just click on to change the slide, add background music. You can have control over the animations, add transitions, even credits if you want, add the captions, and then just go ahead and render it up here. And then we can make the avatar bottom of funnel videos as well. So let's check out that. Go to create video, bottom of funnel, choose a client, and we'll have, a woman. We'll have a younger woman promoting an affiliate product for our Instagram channel, for example, about dogs' gut health. So if you're talking about a product, which these are designed to do because it's bottom of funnel, we want to go ahead and upload a product image. Go ahead and upload a character. Now, if you don't want to upload a character, we'll just make a random one. But if you want control over like your faceless brand or your face talking about it, go ahead and upload your character. And then we're going to hit generate. And then what it will do is give us our final script here. So it's going to write a script, getting people to go ahead and take action, click the link or message us, 16 by 9 or 916, and then add a realistic spokesperson as well. For example, then generate video, and then it's going to take us to a video editor where we can, again, preview and edit it. So again, preview the video and then edit it however we want. Then let's go back here and we can go to the content creator genie. Now this is going to create different types of Instagram non-video content. Of course, you can make a one-off video image and post as well. And this makes interesting content that actually is working right now on Instagram and social media. I'm talking about things like just general educational posts with really high quality descriptions and images, but also things like Reddit lookalike posts. So when people it looks like they're taking a screenshot of a Reddit post, these things are getting a ton of traction and likes right now. Also things like X lookalike posts, Alex Hormozy, and people are doing these a ton because they get just tons of traction. Like they screenshotted an X post, but really they're just having AI make it. Infographic type things as well. So let's take a look at this. So we can do something like, well, first let's choose our client, and then something like, protein in cuts of chicken for bodybuilding. Now what we can do is we can just use a keyword, or if you want like full control over the prompt to get it how you want, you can just click full prompt. And then it will go ahead and it will generate the image for us. But if you want to have more control over the image as well, then say something like realistic image about protein cuts of chicken for bodybuilding. We can choose our dimensions. And then the type here, like I was talking about, regular content, lookalike things, infographics, we'll be adding a lot more here. Then it will go to work making our post for us. All right, so we can go ahead and start editing it. So first, what we can do is edit the meta description for the post and any sort of headline. Then we can go ahead and regenerate. If we don't like the AI image it made, we can go ahead and regenerate it and upload reference images to get it more close to what we like. And then it will come with some text as well. We can begin editing. Now, if you don't like any of this text, we can just delete it like this and then add more and customize it. Also add things like shapes and emojis to the post to make it engaging. And then we'll go ahead and save it. And you can download it to post to your Instagram. Now it's recommended to download it and post it manually for the most amount of engagement you can get. If not, you can go ahead and also schedule it by clicking this button here, and then on the content planner, you can see when different schedules are to be posted, like that. All right, now also we have the Trends Genie. This is really cool. So you can find things that are trending to make content around. We can find videos to repurpose content. Also find things what they call hashtag and engagement clusters for the new algorithm on Instagram. So we're gonna go to find trends, type in a topic like bodybuilding, choose a client, then we'll go out there and find trends around, for example, bodybuilding. So I have some searches already down here to save time. First, what we'll do is it will find content that's trending and going viral for us to sort of model or post after, get ideas after. You can either even sort of download it and repurpose it if you want, using any of these tools, any of these video editors, and because you can upload your own posts and videos to these editors. And then we can go ahead and check it out in more detail. Actually, we can go down here to analyze. And it will give us a lot of details about why this is going viral, sometimes the primary age gap, when the optimal posting schedule is for this type of content. And then also we can click over here to hashtag cluster. So based on the keyword bodybuilding, it's going to give us the best cluster of hashtags to add to the bottom of our post to really get views from people that aren't even following us. These are optimized for the new Adronima algorithm. Things called community clusters, trending mixed clusters. We'll have more tutorials on what exactly these mean. But these are going to, again, track the right type of people to the profile who actually comment, engage, and end up buying. So this is all about getting targeted followers that really understand your brand, want to engage with you, will actually buy your products. Not like a profile that's going to have like 100K people, but none of them engage. No one really cares. No one's buying. So there's a lot more features than that. But obviously this walkthrough video, hopefully it will get you started using the app, getting success, and we'll have more training and videos in the app soon.